that's one supermarket bag almost full. Look at the amount of mushrooms here. Then we have a second supermarket bag that it's full. I just emptied it, so my basket doesn't have really anything. But then, walking just in a small radius around the spot that we are, we have mushrooms. Then we have more mushrooms, and going down we have more mushrooms in here. Down there, more mushrooms. More in here. Look at the size of those. That is just ridiculous. Here, pretty much everywhere that the eye can see, you can see mushrooms. It might be a fish. There's something in it. Oh yeah, there is. Actually, it might require Harvey. I have a suspicion that this is legal puha here. Yeah, that's a legal puha. No, it's not a legal puha. No. Really horrible conditions, lots of rain, lots of wind, a lot of waves, but the boat is handling them really well. We haven't really felt like in danger or anything close to it, but it makes difficult the fishing, so we'll see if we get a bit calmer area that we can start fishing. But otherwise, as you can see, we are hitting the waves all the time. It's like really not nice. All right. What did I say? It's very difficult to spot it, but you can see it here. That, you see that? This is a black trumpet. There you go. Look how pretty. So it does look a bit like a chanterelle, as you can see. Amazing tasting mushroom. And honestly, one of the best soups that you will ever have in your life. Let's see if I can find some more in here. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. You really need to be careful where you're stepping, because obviously they are black and they are not very easily spotted. Those big ones, of course, you can spot them really easily, but these smaller ones, look at them. Really, really pretty. Amazing mushroom. tosi outo, koska jos se on kala, se on tosi iso kala. Tosi outo. Voi, kato. Se on tosi iso hauki. Voisi olla. Oi. Kato. Voi, se on metrinen. Kato.
Iso. Ikinä nähnyt mitään isoa. Ollaan livenä. Mä oon nähnyt videossa kyllä joku.
Se on videossa. En mä jaksa. Tässä. Joo. Ota kuva. Oi. Se on yli 10. Ota kuvia.